أقسم إنا كجعلي أنا love you more than my life أنا أحبك يا حبيبي أكبرنا ميمي سانا أوجد عاشقيك. I know you probably heard this song like million times. It's all over the internet right now and it is going viral like crazy, man. I heard that Jason Derulo is making a remix of this song. What? Probably the first Somali song that went completely international.
Does Auntie know her songs going off like this?
This song right now has about 67,000 videos on TikTok alone. It's all over YouTube, it's all over Facebook, it's all over TikTok. Literally every single social media you go right now, even on Instagram, you will probably find this song somewhere. But what if I told you that the artist behind this song, Nim'o Happy, probably has no idea about her song going viral?
أنا love you more than my life أنا أحبك يا حبيبي نقبل ميمي سانا وأوجد عاشقيك.
So now you read the title and it says like the Brock, famous Somali singer. But let me tell you something. By Brock, I don't mean like, you know, the actual Brock. I don't even know if she has business outside music or anything like that. But you will understand what I mean by the end of this video. This song was released 4 years ago and it's going viral right now. What is the reason behind this song going viral in the first place? So when you listen to the song, this lady was so creative in such a way that she attracted so many different people to her song. First of all, she uses Arabic and many people use Arabic, right? And the second one is Somali, and most of the people in TikTok are probably Somalis. And the third one is Swahili. Swahili is really popular in Africa. By mixing all these languages into one song in a very creative way, has probably earned her so much that right now she's world famous. I think this lady is even more famous than Gulet Simba, Sultan Serar, and so many other Somali superstars. Literally every single person on TikTok right now has probably made a video with this song. Even if you go to TikTok right now, like I have my phone right here, man. Look at this dude. Look at this, man. 1.1 million likes using this song. But let me tell you something that makes me really extremely mad about this song is that this lady is probably making zero money from her song. Well, this song is not even copyrighted on YouTube, so that means that someone else is using her song to make money. TikTok actually pays musicians if their songs go viral. Like you get paid per video, I think. I don't know. Let me search it a little bit. If you go to Google and search if TikTok pays musicians, you will see that for starters, yes, TikTok does pay artists for use of their music. Again, what makes me really mad is that this lady can make millions from this song alone if she actually takes it really serious. This song is uploaded to YouTube right now. If she uploads this song again on YouTube with a proper music video, I think she will get at least 20 million views in just a day. You see on TikTok right now, literally even the white people, literally everyone, even black, white, Arab, Chinese even, are making challenges using their song. It makes me really proud to see a Somali song, Somali music getting recognized for the first time in many years. Somali music has so many artistic and, you know, poetic lyrics if you look closely. My whole point of making this video is that we need to put out this lady. She's probably under a rock right now. We need to get her out. Please, somebody link me to this lady. I need to have an interview. Please give me her contacts, Instagram. I've done everything to get her contacts or to get her socials and all that, but I didn't find a single place where this lady even exists. What makes me even extremely mad is that this song is not even copyrighted on YouTube. You can use this song right now and make money out of it, and nobody will even know because this song has no copyright. It really makes me mad, man. So that's for today's guys, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.